Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another daily into technical analysis video. My beautiful friends, I tried to upload a video last night, however it stopped at 50%. So I apologize for that. So Joe Rogan, the legend, daily into technical analysis videos with Crypto Billionaire 69. We can get straight into the analysis right now. We're seeing volume starting to thicken up, my friends. It's a beautiful thing in the markets. We're going to get into what we need to look for in the coming days. We have seen we're up around 5% as Bitcoin is holding above these $38,000 levels, which is a great thing, really great thing. Let's get straight into the in-depth technical analysis video. Hit that subscribe button if you like daily in-depth technical analysis. And if you want real-time buy and sell alerts on the best times to get in and the best times to sell, especially when we spike, join the Patreon. There's a couple spots. Trying to get the 50 people in the Patreon, my friends. Once we do that, we'll start hosting events. I'm thinking about doing like daily voice chats in the morning around 7 to 8 to go over the markets or any questions you guys have on any other coins. I can do some technical analysis live just to really get to know you guys. I want to take this to the next level, the relationship that we have going here. I want to get to know you guys individually and just help you guys out with whatever questions you have and teach you everything I know, because I want you guys to make money just like I am making money. We can all win in these markets, and we don't have to be screwed anymore by the big money. It's a beautiful thing. So let's get straight into technical analysis. What we are seeing is, look at this. I have a song playing in the background. I'm going to turn it down. It's kind of distracting me. Look at this. We have seen, now this is the wick, all right. We've seen a nice little retracement on the bottom of the body here to the top, right? We saw a nice little retracement almost down to the 0.5 level, which is a great retracement. It's very healthy. Now, what we want to see in the next day, all right, today, by the end of today, we want to close above this 9 level, all right? Boom. Once we close above that 9 level, we need to see some pressure pushing above these 910s. All right, we want to see us close and push higher with volume, preferably. The volume is not very strong right now, but we want to see volume at least this big, pushing higher than the previous top of this red body candle here. Previous top. Got it? Boom. We want to see that push higher. Today, we want to close above the top wick of this doji candle, and tomorrow we want to close above these previous resistance levels here. If we can do that, it's a very bullish sign that we will be heading higher. Now, you got to remember, like, once we start going, it is going to go very fast, okay? Right now is accumulation phase. I have said this over and over. Anything under the 15 levels is a great price. Anything under the 10 levels is a extremely great price. Those of you who got in at the 5s, you're pretty much almost at 100% already, and the move hasn't even started. So we're sitting very pretty right now. I have been averaging in this whole time. I started averaging in around these 16s. Average in here, average more in here, average a lot more in here, and moved it down. So cool. We're chilling, all right? What we need to look out for is in the overall market. That's really what is determining everything. We want to see us push above this $40,000 level in Bitcoin, all right? Once we see that, once we can break these $40,000 previous resistance levels, $40,000 300, it's a really, really good thing, okay? We have been staggering higher. But we are coming to this downtrend line, all right? We want to see it break through this. If we can break through this and hold above it, it's a very good thing, and it's an indication that we are creating higher lows in the overall trend here, all right? Now, if we keep dropping to these $30,000 levels again, then it will be a great. I don't know if it'll be a great thing. We gotta watch the news. It all depends on how the government is holding everything right now. However, in the long term, nothing has changed. The only thing that's changing right now is regulation. So it's a really good thing. Regulation is good because it allows those big money billionaire investors to get in because they see it as a regulated asset. It is actually an asset in the eyes of the government. So It's a great thing. It's not financial advice. Simple opinions from a crypto billionaire, my friends. Let's get into what we need to look out for. And yeah, so that's what we need to look out for. We want to close above these 9 levels within the next 2 days. It's pretty simple. I'm going to drop time frames here so we can get some more action going on. See how we are consolidating above these previous highs here. It's a really good thing. Creating higher lows. Now we did break to the downside. However, that's completely normal. When we were creating these higher lows, I was like, this does not look very bullish, because higher lows like this with not so good volume is not necessarily a good thing, because as volume tapers down, it's easier for the sellers to take over, push it back down. But it's really good. We saw exactly what we want to see, and we're creating a double bottom here. This is a bull formation right here. I'll circle it for you guys so you can understand what I'm saying. Bull formation, all right? These are most of the time extremely bullish. It indicates that a price change is happening. And look at this. We had a red hammer, which means price came down, got pushed back higher, okay? That means buyers are stepping in around these 824 levels. It's a really good thing. Creating this double bottom that we see here. Double bottoms are very good because it indicates that this is a strong level of support. Now, we want to watch these 940 levels as major resistance as we move higher to the upside. Once the market starts reversing, I mean, all of this is just noise. In the long term, all of this is just noise. Now, if you're day trading, it's a completely different thing, and that's why I want to start this little group going on in the morning times. I just had an idea in the shower. I was like, it'd be really cool to get to know you guys and teach you guys day trading techniques, because right now on this channel, it's really just long term. It's just buy and hold, which is how you make money. Don't get me wrong. But a lot of you guys have reached out to me and said you want to start day trading, and I would gladly help you guys with that. So I think this group chat will be very, very, very dope. So if you're interested in that, you can do one of two things. You can join the Patreon and then comment, so you can get real-time buy and sell alerts, or you can just email me at mycryptomoves@gmail.com and just let me know. I'm down. I want to do this. Sign me up, baby. All right, yeah, so pretty much we're just hodling, my friends. We're just hodling. This is a great buying opportunity. I've said this over and over, and we will look back on these times and just wish we bought more, let me tell you. So I'm not saying overextend yourself. Never overextend yourself. Never invest what you're not willing to lose, okay? Always invest what you're willing to lose, all right? If you need that cash, it's not worth investing, because you're going to get emotional, and once it drops lower, you're going to sell, and you're going to sell for a loss, and then you'll see it spike, and you'll be, slapping yourself in the wrist for selling at a loss when all you had to do was hold, but you needed that money for something, all right? So that's why you invest with money that you're willing to lose, that you just don't care about. Yeah, my friends, crypto billionaire 69. Love you, beautiful people. Prices are looking great. I mean, overall market is good. We're just waiting. They keep delaying this inflation report. So, I mean, it's just FUD right now. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And honestly, like, crypto, it's a hedge against inflation, if you think about it. Whenever inflation's high, people don't want to hold cash. Now, if they start increasing rates again, that means the real estate market will probably start to go down a little bit. So people won't want to really put their money into real estate. They'll be selling all that. Where are they going to park their cash? If cash is going up at 8%, real estate's going down in value because everybody's selling their house. Crypto, you know what I'm saying? At least that's my theory. That's what I think is going to happen. It's either crypto or gold. Gold is a very, very, it's a good option if you just want to store your wealth and you don't want to take any risk. Gold is there. It will always be there. Gold and silver. Keep that as a rule of thumb, but stocks as well. Stocks are very overextended right now. If we look at the Dow Jones, we saw a little correction, and it's crazy because like a 5% correction, people go crazy over in the overall market. It's a really, really, really weird thing, honestly. Once you trade in the crypto markets for a while. Yeah, we see this little correction here. Now it is holding support, and it started really, really taking back off. This is 6 months. So, but if you look in the max, right, we are very overextended, and yeah. So, you know, time in the market is better than timing the market. This could very well just continue to go higher. Now, if you look at this, we saw a big crash because of Corona. All right. After Corona started pumping money into the economy, all of us know damn well the economy was not expanding during the coronavirus. And our stocks were moving higher. Now, maybe that could be because everybody was getting checks and decided to start investing. Because if you really think about it, a lot of stocks and cryptos were really going crazy, really crazy. During coronavirus, because no one had a way. It's pretty much gambling. At that point, people were just putting their money in and wishing they got a 50x on GameStop. You know what I'm saying? So once that happens, then it just attracts a lot of new money. And a lot of new money is in this market. A lot of new money is most likely very overextended right now. Okay? So that's why Warren Buffett is holding like 85% cash, along with many other big investors. And now with the crypto markets, we could honestly say the same thing. We could say the same thing, that a lot of retail investors are overextended, over leveraged right now. I personally know a couple people who have got liquidated from their leveraged trades, losing a very, very large sum of money, which is, it's a horrible thing. Don't get me wrong. I have compassion, sympathy for them. However, it is a good thing because it allows the big money to get back in at a lower price and create a new support level when those people start selling at a low. Okay, whenever we see doubt in a market, it's a very good thing. All right. Now, if we see doubt at the height of a market, it's still a good thing. It could mean that it is going to continue higher. However, what we're seeing now is it's pretty overextended, and it's just no telling. There's really no telling. We could just have a booming 2022. I really hope that does happen. However, all in all, time in the market is better than timing the market, even if you buy at a high. If you hold over 5 years, I mean, you'll be just fine. You'll be just fine. However, you want to average in. You don't want to just put a whole lump sum in at the top, okay? You want to average in, and especially if you see a big dip like what we are seeing here, it's a great time to start averaging in, all right? And start putting in more than what you would have put in as it's spiking. As it's spiking, everyone gets excited, all right? When everyone's excited, that's when you want to be calm. You always want to be the opposite emotion of what everyone else is doing, and it's really, really hard to get into that mindset. However, once you do, you start seeing things that other people just simply don't see because they're clouded by their emotions. And it's a really, really, really cool thing, let me tell you. Now, it takes a little bit of practice, but that's why I want to start this community up, because I feel like community drives progress. And if we can get a bunch of like-minded people together to really, really, really hone in and get information. I'm one person, all right? If we have 30 people in a group really paying attention to these markets with 30 different perspectives, but all on the same emotional stability level to where we can observe and not feel what everybody else is feeling in the markets, what the emotions are, we'll have some dope information, let me tell you what. There are some smart people reaching out to me, and they're sharing algorithms and computer generated, like, it's insane. Like, crypto, I can't even explain it. It pretty much predicts what's going to happen, and it shows, like, the divergence in the crypto markets just simply from an algorithm, which is really cool. And I feel like if we can get a community together where people can just freely talk about what they think and what they're finding, and I think that would be a really, really, really good, productive, safe, and profitable space to be in. Let me tell you, Crypto Billionaire 69. I will catch you guys in the next video. Overall, markets are looking very good. I'm a simple day trader. I'm not an algorithmic trader. Some of you guys are. And some of you guys understand how to code. Personally, I do not know how to code. I just know how to day trade and make money in these markets, all right? I know how to trade on momentum. I know how to trade on breakouts. I know how to trade and understand what the big money is thinking, what other people are thinking. I know how to keep perspective. However, some of you guys are much better than I am at computers, at algorithms, at doing the really technical computer savvy stuff that I personally don't have time to do. But if we can all get together, that would be dope. So if you're interested, email me, email me at mycryptomoves@gmail.com. We'll start that group going up. But yeah, it'll be pretty dope. HODL to Mars, my friends. Everything's chilling, guys. Everything's chilling. We're just consolidating, making higher lows like normal. So volume has spiked. Now it's tapering down. We want to see another spike in volume here soon, within the next week. If we do that, then it's a really good sign. If not, I really hope we do come back down to these 5s. I'll be averaging and much more. That'll be a great thing. Crypto Billionaire 69. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.